Welcome to Exam Sale. In this video we walk through the syllabus for the SAP Certified Application Associate exam for procurement with SAP ERP 6.0 EHP 7 and explain what to study and how topics are weighted. This exam covers 8 domains with specific weightings that add up to 100%. Inventory management and physical inventory is 13%. Purchasing is 13%. Procurement processes is 13%. Logistics invoice verification is 13%. Valuation and account determination is 12%. Master data is 12%. Configuration of purchasing is 12%. And configuration of inventory management and physical inventory is 12%. Inventory management and physical inventory is weighted 13% and focuses on stock movement processing and physical inventory procedures. This domain is medium difficulty with an estimated learning time of 30 hours and assessed through hands-on and conceptual tasks. You will learn movement types and stock types like unrestricted, quality inspection, and blocked stock, plus processing goods receipts and goods issues, stock transfers, reservations, negative stocks, and the complete physical inventory cycle from preparation through counting, posting differences, and configuring tolerance limits. Purchasing is 13% and covers standard procurement documents and source determination. The domain is medium difficulty, with about 25 hours of study and conceptual and scenario-based assessment. Candidates will learn how to create and maintain purchase requisitions and convert them to purchase orders, manage headers and line items, track purchase order history and returns, and handle RFQs, quotations, contracts, scheduling agreements, source lists, and automated source determination. Procurement processes carries 13% and focuses on special procurement types and optimized purchasing. This domain is marked as hard and expects roughly 35 hours of study with scenario-based assessment. You will master subcontracting, consignment procurement and settlement, third-party processes, stock transport orders and pipeline materials, plus optimized purchasing topics like automated PO generation, mass maintenance, shopping cart use, blanket orders, improved goods receipt and invoice handling, and vendor performance evaluation. Logistics invoice verification is 13% and emphasizes invoice processing, variances, and credit memos. It is medium difficulty with 25 hours of study and a mix of hands-on and conceptual assessment. Study entering invoices against purchase orders, handling quantity and price variances, taxes and additional costs, invoice blocks and release procedures, credit memos, and automated settlement scenarios such as ERS, consignment and pipeline settlements, invoicing plans, revaluation, and integration with financial accounting. Valuation and account determination makes up 12% and concentrates on material valuation and FICO integration. This domain is hard, with an estimated 30 hours of study and conceptual plus scenario-based assessment. Candidates will learn valuation levels at plant and company code, the difference between standard price and moving average, split valuation, price changes, initial stock entries, and automatic account determination including a big setup, transaction keys, movement type mapping to GL accounts, and troubleshooting account determination issues. Master data accounts for 12% and focuses on organizational structures and core master records. It is an easier domain with about 20 hours of study and conceptual and scenario-based assessment. You will learn to manage material master views relevant to procurement, maintain vendor master general and purchasing data, configure material types and field selection, perform mass changes, create purchasing info records and source lists, understand price conditions, and keep master data consistent and archived when appropriate. Configuration of purchasing is 12% and covers customizing purchasing documents and release logic. This domain is hard with roughly 30 hours of hands-on and conceptual study. Topics include defining custom document types for purchase requisitions and orders, configuring number ranges and field selection, screen layouts and item categories, text and copying rules, output determination, and configuring release procedures, workflow integration, and the condition technique for pricing. Configuration of inventory management and physical inventory is 12% and focuses on customizing stock movements and plant parameters. It is medium difficulty with about 25 hours of hands-on and conceptual learning. You will practice copying and modifying movement types, defining field selection and account grouping, linking movement types to transaction codes, and configuring plant and storage location parameters such as automatic storage location creation, physical inventory document settings, number ranges, tolerance groups, and availability checks. That wraps up the syllabus overview for the SAP Procurement Associate exam. Study each domain to the recommended depth, practice the hands-on processes, and use the domain weights to prioritize your revision. Good luck, and prepare strategically to pass with confidence.